Ball is up. First quarter underway. Binigay kay number 9 sa ilalim. Kite guarded. Basket is good. 2-0 in favor of Ragtag. La Rosa nagdadala ng bola. Binigay kay Chanduman. No back ball. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Binigay. Gwen. Tumiro ng 3. Benta. 3-4. Pasqua. Nagdadala ng bola. Pulls up for 3. No good. Rebounded by Chandumal. Finding some room. Binigay kay Saqueza. Saqueza ahead of the clock. Ibinigay sa lalan kay Perez. Reverse layup is good. An early lead for Baluarte. 5-2. Pasqua. Binigay kay Guachin. Thought about 3-pointer is good. Pass. Saqueza. Binigay kay La Rosa. La Rosa drives down. Binigay kay Chandumal. Underneath. We have a foul. Foul. Number 14. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Chandumal. First shot is up. No good.
Walang tumbok.
Second shot is up. No good. Rebounded by Lupango. Ayaw na kapag binigay kay Guachin. Guachin. Binigay stolen by Saqueza. Saqueza tightly guarded. Jump ball. Tawag ni Rep. Okay. Bola po ng Baluarte. Time remaining 8 minutes and 53 seconds. La Rosa. Binigay kay Chen sa ilalim. Binigay kay Coy. Para ba ito siya? Nilabas muna sa ilalim. Stolen by Guachin. Ahead of the box. Stolen by Saqueza. Saqueza. Binigay kay La Rosa. La Rosa. Para ba ito 3. Binigay kay Coy. Para ba ito again. La Rosa. Drives down the lane. Layup is up. Is good. Basket for La Rosa. 7-5 in favor of Baluarte. Pasqua. Muntik na magaw. Binigay kay Guachin. Guachin. Pull up jumper. Bank shot is no good. Rebounded by Chandumal. Saqueza. Binigay kay La Rosa. Follow by the 3. Drives down the lane. Looking for a ball. Binigay kay Chandumal sa line. Basket. Bounce. Who's fouled that? 98. Pasqua. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws once again for Chandumal. First shot is up. No good. Rebounded by Lupango. Guachin dictating the pace. Binigay kay Lupango. Lupango thought about it. Binigay kay San Miguel. Kick out. Pasqua for 3. No good. Rebounded by Lupango. Kicks it back out to San Miguel. San Miguel. Basket is good. 9-7 in favor of Baluarte. Saqueza drives down the lane. Binigay kay Perez. Perez, pull up jumper. No good. Rebounded by Saqueza. Bola ng Ragtag. Pasqua. Binigay kay San Miguel sa ilalim. Binigay kay Bote. Basket is good. Reverse layup. Basket yan. La Rosa ay nagdapak. Malakas ang pasa. Bola mo na. Ragtag. Pasqua. Dictating the pace. Binigay kay Lupango sa ilalim. Basket is good. Time remaining 7 minutes and 17 seconds. Saqueza. Finding some room. Binigay kay Perez. Muntik na mabitawan. Stolen. Muntik na magawan. Saqueza drives down the lane. Binigay kay Perez. Bank shot is good. Pasqua. Ahead of the pack. Ibinigay kay Bote. Sa ilalim. No foul call. Rebounded by Baluarte. Saqueza. Pull up jumper. Malakas. Rebounded by Chandumal. Basket is good. Bote ahead of the pack. Binigay kay San Miguel sa ilalim. San Miguel. Shot blocked by Perez. La Rosa retrieves it. Binigay kay Saqueza. tumira ng 3. Bang! 3 points! Guachin, we have a foul. Foul po na. Binigay kay Pasca. Guachin, thought about the 3, drive down the lane, fakes it up, Bote, shot is good! That shot is good for Bote. 16-13 in favor of Guante. Magawa ng ragtag, layup for San Miguel. Basket is good. 1 point lead for Baluarte. Kwe, nagdadala na bola. Ibinigay kay Perez sa ilalim. Perez, guarded closely, guarded by Ragtag. Ball crossing for Perez. Basket is good. Pasqua, Euro step. Muntik na mabitawan. Guachin, no good. Rebounded by San Miguel. Layup is good. Sakweza, dadala ng bola. Time guarded. Binigay kasi ng bola sa ilalim. Biyang na ang foul. Substitution red for Ragtag. Julian in, Bote out. First shot, no good.
Ano yung mga huspawn?
Huspawn net pala.
Sub.
Substitution red. Terry is out. Young in.
Yes!
Score 19-17. Guachin, thought about the 3, fakes it, binigay kay Pasqua, balik kay Guachin, tumira ng 3, bang! Guachin, 3 points! Wait, nagdadala ng bola, wala na pumapasahan, ibinigay kay Sakwesa, tumira ng 3, no good, tumira ng Pablo, iron on the clock, toss Pasqua, ibinigay kay Guachin, what a pass! Malakas nga lang! Wait, dadala na bola.
Nice!
Rebounded by Sakwesa. Offensive rebounding. Next layup is good. Time remaining. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. San Miguel, shot is good. Sakwesa. Darden, binigay. Wait, another 3. No good. Rebounded by San Miguel. Ibinigay kay Guachin. Guachin, ahead of the back. Thought about tumira na 3. Nag-iinit. No good. Rebounded by bola ng Baluarte. Kwe, nagtatala ng bola. Finding teammates. Ibinigay. Kinabudol sa ilalim. Bulldozing his way. Binigay. Floating is up. Basket is good for number 19. Ragtag warning for penalty. Makaray 8. Binigay kay Kagas. Umpad. Binigay kay Kagas. Kagas. Thought about the 3. Binigay kay Umpad. Layup is up. Foul. Basket count for Umpad. Who's foul rep? Foul number 7. Bonus shot. Basket is good for Umpad. 24-23 in favor of Ragtag. Sakwesa. Basket is good. Tie game. 25 all. Makarai. Guarded. Loses natin. Stolen by number 12.
Nice! Up!
Stolen. Kapit na mga bawat. Sakwesa retrieves it. Ibinigay. Kay Kwe. Kwe. Another 3. Rebounded by Young. Offensive rebound. Another rebound. Is good for Young. Chad, nagdadala ng bola. Cornelia, ibinigay. Kagas, tumira ng 3. No good, rebounded by number 12, Rob Malwarte. Ibinigay kay Kwe, ahead of the pass. Guarded by Rasta. Layup, pressure is good for number 19. Score, 29-25 in favor of Malwarte. Kagas, guarded by Sakweza. Binigay kay Umpad, Chad, Tubulyag, basket is good. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 50 seconds in the first quarter. Sakwesa, binigay kay Yang. Traveling progress, substitution rep. Kagas, dadala ng bola. Looking for a screen. Guarded by Sakwesa. Tumira ng 3. No good, rebounded by number 12. Binigay kay Lopez. Binigay kay Sakwesa. Layup is good. Bench shot for Sakwesa. Stolen by Sakwesa. Hindi nakatingin si Kagas. Binigay sa ilalim kay Young. Reverse layup.
Buang nga kasi.
Score 33-27 in favor of Malwarte. Umpad, dadala ng bola. Binigay kay Chad. No good. Rebounded by Chad again. Binigay kay Makarai. Kicks it back out. Umpad. Umpad for 3. No good. Rebounded by Yang. Yang ahead of the back post number 19. Looking for a foul. No good. Sakwesa. Follow up is basket. Kagas. Binigay. Stolen by number 12. Substitution rep. Two free throws for number 12, Delavi. One shot. Basket is good. Second up. Malakas, rebounded by Bulyan. Retrieves it. Binigay kay Kwachin. Kwachin, ahead of the pack. Foul, number 19. 13 foul for Malwarte. Time remaining, 1 minute and 39 seconds. Binigay, Bulyag, mid-range jumper, basket is good. Lopez, binigay kay Perez, Ayala. We have a foul. Penalty, number 1. Foul, number 11. Two free throws, Perez. First shot, malakas. Second shot for Perez. Basket is good. 37-29 in favor of Malwarte. Wachin. Thought about the pass. Binigay kay Umpad. Spot up 3. Basket. 3 points. Lopez. Dadala ng bola. Binigay kay number 12. 1 on 3. Malakas rebounded by 27. Binigay. Makaraig. No foul call. Rebounded by number 12. Binigay kay Young. Young binigay kay Perez. Shot is good. Ibinigay kay Kwachin. 49 seconds. Kwachin. Ibinigay, Makaraig, tumira ng 3, rebounded by number 12. 37 seconds. Lopez, to Young, stolen by Kwachin, number 11. Kwachin, ahead of the pack. Ibinigay kay Makaraig, basket is good. 26 seconds. Lopez, guarded by Kwachin. Ibinigay kay Evan tumira ng 3 points. 9 seconds. We have a foul, number 11. Fourteenth foul. Umpan. No good. Rebounded by Young. 3 seconds left. 2 seconds. Lopez. No good. Muntik na yun. End of the first quarter. Score 42.
Pass.
Viñas. Drives down the lane. Binigay. Liegos. No good. Rebounded by Lopez. Lopez. Ibinato.
Maiksi. Yes, pas lang. Maiksi.
Malakas ang pass. Wala na ang ragta. Pasqua. Binigay. Umpad. Guarded by La Rosa. Umpad. Thought about the three. Binigay kay Diego sa ilalim. Pasa. Sa kalaban. Stolen by Pasqua. Ibinigay kay Viñas. Basket is good. Lopez guarded by Pasqua. Lopez drives on the lane. Ibinigay kay Perez sa ilalim. Perez guarded. Timing guarded by Viñas. Pero nakawala. Take shot is good. Ibinigay kay La Rosa. Stolen by Valverde. La Rosa. Mid-range jumper.
Ay!
Balik
Wala na. Run time.
lang.
Time remaining. 9 minutes. Pasqua. Guarded. Not guarded. Tumira ng tres. Rebounded by Viñas. Ibinigay kay Lumango. Mid-range jumper. Basket is good. Score 44-38 in favor of Baluarte. Chanduma. Ibinigay kay Lopez for 3. Malakas rebounded by. Intercepted by Baluarte. Bola ng Ranta. Pasqua. Dictating the pace. Binigay kay Liegos. Thought about the mid-range jumper. Back out to Umpad. Looking for another three. Rebounded by Young. Young, binigay kay Chandumal. Catch pass to La Rosa. La Rosa. Thought about the jumper. Binigay sa lalim. Bola pala na Baluarte. 17 seconds to shoot. La Rosa, inbounding. Ibinigay kay Chandumal sa labas. Back out to Perez. Layup, basket is good. Score 46-38 in favor of Baluarte. Pasqua. Guarded. Binigay kay Umpad sa ilalim. Basket is good. Binigay kay Young. Binigay kay Lopez. Guarded by Pasqua. Goes to Chanduma. Back out to Lopez. 14 to shoot. Fade away, no good. Rebounded by Pasqua. Ahead of the pack. Running along. Tumama sa tuhod. Bola ng Chanduma. Intercepted by 27. Young. Binigay. Sila rin Chanduma. Looking for a foul. No foul goal. Rebounded by Perez. Stolen by Pasqua. Pasqua. Ahead of the pack. Guarded by Sangcuesa. Goes for the floater. No good. Rebounded. Tumama sa tuhod. Wala pa rin ng ragta. Substitution rep. San Miguel in. Lupango, pass it out to Viñas for 3. Air ball. Substitution rep. Another sub for both team. Mixture of players. Nagpapalit ng mga players for both teams. Bola na Baluarte. Sangcuesa, guarded by Pasqua. Sinalubong. Binigay kay La Rosa. Try to break free. Sangcuesa, mid-range jumper. Sangcuesa. Pasqua, binigay kay Guachin. Guarded. Ibinigay kay San Miguel. 27. 3 points for 27. 5-point lead for Baluarte. Time remaining 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Sangwesa, binigay sa ilalim. Number 12. Malakas, rebounded by Sangwesa. Gets notice. No good. No good. Pasqua, ahead of the back. What a pass to number 27. Ngunit, intercepted by Chandumal. Foul, number 14. First team foul for Baluarte. 2 free throws for number 27. First shot, no good. Second shot is up. No good, rebounded by Chandumal. Sangwesa, guarded by number 98. Binigay kay number 9, Arosa. Malakas, rebounded. Hingama foul. Foul, number 9. San Miguel. Substitution rep. Both teams, first team foul. Sangwesa, guarded by number 98. Binigay kay Arosa, number 3. Stop and top. 3 points. Lucky bounce for La Rosa. Number 98. Ibinigay kay Traveling. Nahuli ni Rep yun. Traveling by number 27. Bola ng Baluarte. Sangwesa. Drives on the ring. Kelly. Bola ng Ragta. Guachin, guarded, binigay kay number 27, San Miguel, layup, basket is good. 6-point lead for Baluarte. Chandumal, dribbling the ball. Gumagawa ng play, binigay kay Sangwesa, nagkakang mapapasaan. Ibinigay kay La Rosa, number 3, malakas, rebounded by Julian. Nagmamadali si Guachin, ahead of the back, no foul goal. Number 12, ahead of the top, 2-on-1 play. Binigay kay Chandumal. We have a foul. Number 8, Julian. 2 free throws for Chandumal. First shot. Short.
Basket shot.
Second shot. No good. Rebounded by Julian. Binigay kay Guachin. Looking to draw a play. Guarded by Sangwesa. Ibinigay kay number 98. Stolen by Chandumal. Binigay kay Sangwesa. Behind the back pass to Craig.
Wala naman.
Offensive foul.
Hindi
Sino
naman.
ba?
Ay, kaya tababa.
Offensive foul. Number 98. Dadala ng bola. Time remaining 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Binigay kay Ungpan. We have a foul. Number 12. Second team foul for Baluarte. Julian inbounding. 14 seconds to shoot. Binigay kay San Miguel. San Miguel, mid-range jumper. Basket is good. 4-point lead for Baluarte. Sangwesa. Guarded by number 98. Ibinigay kay Cuen. Cuen, back to Sangwesa. Back to Cuen. Cuen, 3-point shot. Basket is good. 2 points. Guachin, thought about the 3. Binigay kay Ungpan, nawala sa kanya. Cuen with the steal. Cuen, numbers, ayan na ba? Struggling. Time out. Baluarte. number 98. Guaching tumira ng 3. No good. Rebounded by Sacueza. Sacueza. Ahead of the half. Foul.
27. Push.
27.
Substitution rep. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Emma. Binigay kay Sacueza. 10 to shoot. Sacueza, talk about the 3. Binigay kay Emma. Tumira ng 3. Short, rebounded by Umpan. Umpan, dictating the pace. Driving down the lane. We have a foul. Foul, Sacueza. 13 foul. Second personal foul, Sacueza. Number 98. Binigay kay San Miguel. Back to number 98. Tumira ng 3. Bang! Ista na yan. 3 points. 3-point lead for Baluarte. Binigay kay Yang. Yang, tumira ng 3. Short, rebounded by Umpan. Umpan, ahead of the back. House numbers. Driving down the lane. Ibinigay kay number 98. Lumabas. Binigay kay number 9. San Miguel. Basket is good. 1-point lead for Baluarte. Number 12, Delapil. Binigay kay Emma. Back out to Sacueza. Tumira ng 3. Sacueza. Rebounded by Delapil.
Foul.
No foul goal. Lupango, ahead of the back, free basket for San Miguel. Lamang na ang ragtag.
Bumimig.
19 to shoot. Sacueza.
Godan.
Guarded by San Miguel. Binigay kay Delapil. Thought about the 3. Binigay. 3 points for Yang. Bumalik ang lamang ng Baluarte. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 98, binigay kay Bulyag. Top of the key. Back out to Bulyag. Tumira ng 3. Malakas. Tries to save. Muli sa kulangan. Substitution ulit. Sub for Baluarte. Pasok ang papasok, labas ang lalabas.
Tamaan ka nila.
Time remaining, 2 minutes and 42 seconds. 2-point lead. 2-point lead for Baluarte. Nagalat na screen si Lopez. Ibinigay kay Cuen. Sa ilalim. Stolen by Bulyag. Turnabout. Binigay kay number 98. Euro step. No good. Rebounded by San Miguel. Short. Umpan once again. We have a foul. Who's foul rep? Warning for penalty. Baluarte. Substitution rep. La Rosa in. Way out. 14 to shoot. Lupango. Binigay kay San Miguel. Back out to number 98. 10 to shoot. Looking for a screen. Back out to Lupango. Lupango for 3. No good. Rebounded by Bulyag. Same ball. Bola pa rin ang ragtag. Once again, 14 to shoot. 2 minutes and 13 in the second quarter. Ibinigay kay number 98. Floater is up. No good. Rebounded by La Rosa. La Rosa trying to find a teammate. Binigay kay Yang. Yang, ayaw na pa. Intercepted by Lumango. Bola pa rin ang Baluarte. 19 to shoot. Substitution rep. Yang, inbound. Back out to Lopez. Guarded by number 98. 15 to shoot. Lopez, right down the lane. Pick it up. La Rosa for 3. No good. Rebounded by Baluarte. Once again, second chance opportunity. Offensive foul. Wala. Binigay kay Umpan. 1 minute and 50 seconds in the second quarter. Binigay kay Umpan. Naghahanap ng mga kasahan. 17 to shoot. 3-pointer, bang! Lamang ulit ang Ragtag. Larosa, Joy Sakale, binigay kay Yang sa ilalim. Back down to, nawala sa kanila bola. Substitution ulit. Binigay, intercepted by Larosa. Substitution ulit. Dami natin substitution ah. .21 to shoot. Back out to Cochin. Lupango. Start naman sa 3. Back out to San Miguel. Lupango sa ilalim. Layup is good. Time remaining. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Lopez. 3-point lead for Ragtag. Para ba sa long 3. No good. Rebounded by Lupango. Ahead of the pack. Finding some room, layup is up, short, rebounded by Lopez. Lopez behind the back pass. Nawala sa kanila, Cochin, stolen by Cochin. 1 minute remaining in the second quarter. We have a foul.
Foul, labas eh.
Penalty.
Penalty. 2 free throws for Cochin. Time remaining, 58.8 seconds. First shot is up, basket is good. 4-point lead for Ragtag. Second shot is up, no good, rebounded by Yang. Yang, binigay kay Chandumal, back out to Yang. 53 seconds, back out to Lopez. Another 3, stop and back, no good, rebounded by Lupango. What a rebound by Lupango. Ibinigay kay Lupango sa kapatid. Lupango, floater is up. No good. Rebounded by Umpat sa ilalim.
Huh?
And
Paano?
ano tawag bro?
Huh? Nakataas ang
Ano tawag
kamay
mo?
pareho.
Basket counts? No basket?
Paano
Nagbabantastahan ang dalawang teams.
Paano nag-anis ko?
Ang
Rebound
tawag
lang.
Sportsmanlike foul number 7.
Huh?
Next is elbow.
Unsportsmanlike foul.
Number 7, 3 minutes.
Kaya nga eh.
Unsportsmanlike foul. Number 7.
Taas galing. Promo.
3 minutes rest for number 7. Substitution rep. 1 shot plus ball possession. First shot for Cochin. Basket is good. Bola pa rin ng Ragtag. 41 seconds. Number 11, binigay kay San Miguel. 13 to shoot. Back out to Cochin. Cochin guarded. Binigay kay Umpat sa ilalim. Umpat. Basket is good for Umpat. 65-56. Sa Cuesa. Binigay. Lopez. Thought about the 3. Floater is up. Shoot. We have a foul. Number 7. 11. 14 foul for Ragtag, warning for penalty. Binigay kay Lopez with an pressure, rebounded by Umpat. Umpat, ahead of the pack. Nagmamadali, ibinigay kay, hindi na binigay, basket is good for Umpat. 18 seconds, ibinigay kay Sacuesa. Sacuesa, guarded by Cochin. Sacuesa, layup is up, basket is good. Lupango, binigay kay Cochin, 10 seconds left. Cochin, ibinigay kay Umpat. What a pass to San Miguel. Basket is good for San Miguel. 6 seconds. Lopez, ibinigay kay Chandumal. Chandumal. We have a foul. 15, penalty. 2 free throws for Chandumal. 2.4 seconds remaining. Last shot opportunity for Ragtag.
Oh.
First shot, no good. Second shot, no basket good. Kala ko di papasok eh. Binigay kay Machin. Last shot. Tumira ng 3. Short. At the half. 59-59. 10-point lead for. Back to the ball game. Third quarter.
Third pa lang to?
Wala ng baluarte.
Tagal pa pala.
La Rosa. Binigay kay Kwe. Kwe. Started. Thought about the shot. Binigay kay La Rosa. Back to Kwe. Kwe. Drives down the lane. Binigay. Swing to La Rosa. Back. Mid-range jumper is good. Machin. Bola na baluarte. Takip mo.
Tapos din nasasabi.
Wala na baluarte. Score 69-61 in favor of Ragtag. Thought about the 3. Binigay kay Kwe. Kwe. Sa Kweza, muntik na backward. 12 to shoot. Binigay kay Kwe. Double team. Binigay. Block by Ragtag. Bola ng Ragtag. Time remaining, 9 minutes and 17 seconds. Binigay kay number 98. 20 to shoot. Binigay kay buti ng mga tao. Binigay kay Lobato. 12 to shoot. Watching. Tumingin ng 3. Rebounded by Lupaco. Encounter number 98. Drives on the lane. Struggling at our front steps at Muro. Substitution left for Baluarte. Young in, Sakwesa out. La Rosa, dictating the pace. Ibinigay kay Kwe. Drives on the lane for Perez. Layup is good. 69-63 in favor of Ragtag. Number 98, thought about, pero pinili lang ang rebounded by number 12 of Baluarte. Young, binigay kay La Rosa. La Rosa, binigay kay Kwe. Thought about the pass. Trying to pass to somebody. Tightly guarded by Ragtag. Binigay kay number 12. Shot fake. Layup is up. Basket is good for number 12. Ibinigay kay number 11 of Ragtag. Machin, drives down the lane. Ibinigay kay number 98 sa ilalim. Mid-range jumper for number 27. Rolls out. Binigay kay number 12. 12 for the rebound. Binigay kay La Rosa. Ahead of the back. La Rosa finding some room, finding some space. Euros his way. No good. Rebounded by La Rosa once again. 20 to shoot. Intercepted by Pasqua. Bola pa rin ng Baluarte. First 24 seconds. Time remaining. 8 minutes flat.
Nice.
Layup for number 12. Basket is good. Binigay kay Lupaco. Basket is good for. Si Lupaco. Basket. Kwe. Nagdadala ng bola. Ibinigay kay Young. Back to Kwe. La Rosa. 10 to shoot for Baluarte. Young for 3. Bang! Basket for J.M. Young. Ibinigay kay rebound by Ragtag 7 by Baluarte. La Rosa with number 12. Intercepted by foul. Number 15. Lupango. Substitution left. Umpad in. Lupango out. Chagas in. Pasqua out. 14 to shoot for Baluarte.
Nagpalit ato damit.
Basket, no good. Rebounded by Umpad. Umpad ahead of the pack. Finding some room. Guarded by Kwe. Binigay kay Kwachin. Shot fake. Take away jumper. Malakopi. Basket is scored for Kwachin.
Hindi, sa intran.
Guarded by Ragtag. Rebounded by number 1, Kagas. Ibinigay kay Lupango. Ahead of the pass. Use the way. Dagdaron. Basket is good. Muntik na magawa ng number 98. 75-70. La Rosa. Stop and pop. Rebounded by Perez sa ilalim. Basket is good.
Kaya Paul ah.
17 to shoot. Binigay kay Umpat sa ilalim. Guarded. Kagas. Open shot. No good. Rebounded by Baluarte. Ahead of the back goes Perez. Guarded by number 98. Basket. Number 98. Binigay kay Umpat. 18 to shoot. Binigay kay Kachin. Rebounded by Umpat. Umpat sa tatali. Basket is good. Time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Ibinigay kay La Rosa. 15 to shoot. La Rosa. Binigay kay Perez. Hawin, no call. Basket is good. Kagas. Ibinigay kay Bachin. Yunosin all the way. Foul. Gusto mo net?
Nice bye.
20. Foul. Sinusun net. Pasok ang papasok. Lawas ang lalabas ko. Ragpa. Pasok ang lapasok. 2 free throws for Bachin. Hinga na malalim. Basket. First shot. Good. Second shot is up for Bachin. Basket is good. Substitution break once again for Ragtag. Score natin 79-76 in favor of Ragtag. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Lopez, nagbababa ng bola. Binigay kay La Rosa. Stop and pop. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebounded by Kagas. Binigay ahead of the back. Goes number 98 of Ragtag. Looking for the pass to Umpat. No good. Rebounded by Lopez. Ibinigay kay number 12. Telavin. Drive down the lane. Layup is up. No foul. Basket. Foul. Second team foul for Ragtag. 2 shots for number 12, Telavin. First shot is good. Mala Jeremy Sohana. 1 shot free throw.
Yo. Ano ba?
Second shot is up. Basket is good. Balik sa isa ang lamang ng Ragtag. Time remaining 5 minutes and 9 seconds. Kagas dictating the pace. Trying to find some room. Looking. Binigay kay number 98. Binigay kay balik kay number 98. Dahil sa dali. Floater is up. Go. Rebounded by Ragtag. Bote. Go good. Bote again. Basket is good for Bote. Lopez, binigay kay Telavin sa ilalim. We have a foul. Substitution rep. Who's foul rep? To shoot for Baluarte. Lopez, guarded by San Miguel. Ibinigay kay Perez sa ilalim. Malakas ang pasa. Bola ng Ragtag. 81-78 in favor of Ragtag. Number 98, binigay kay San Miguel sa ilalim. Back to Umpat. We have a foul. Who's foul rep? Third team foul for Baluarte. Second team foul for Baluarte. To Kagas. Down on the three. Shot fake. Basket is up. No good. Rebounded by Save. Tumama sa tuhod. Bola ng Ragtag. Stolen by Baluarte. Binigay kay Lopez. number 98. Finding some room, binigay kay Tel Aviv. No good, rebounded by number 98 of Rocktown. Here comes Rocktown. Ibinigay kay Upan sa ilalim. Basket is good. Malakas ang pasa ng Baluarte. Substitution left court Baluarte. As well as Rocktown. Score 83-78 in favor of Rocktown. Bote, binigay kay Bochin. Time remaining 3 minutes and 50 seconds in the third quarter. Para mga pass, binigay kay Gaga. Garland by Chanduman. Lifting. Bola ng Baluarte. Nahuli pa ni Rep yun. Timeout! Rocktown. 3 minutes and 41 seconds. Binigay kay Lopez. Back to Chanduman, back to Lopez. Stop and pass from Tumira na trip. Rebounded by Tel Aviv. Out of the back. Basket is good for Tel Aviv. Looking for a foul. No foul goal. Here comes Bochin. Here comes Rata. Guarded by Lopez. Napitawan ang bola. Bola ng Baluarte.
Tumama lang siya.
Injury timeout. Labas ang may injury. If kaya.
Wala.
Wala na Baluarte. Score 83-80 in the third quarter. Ibinigay sa Cuesa. Talk about the three. Ibinigay kay Chandumal. Back to Sacuesa. 15 to shoot. Floaters up. Malakas. Rebounded. Gets his own list. Ibinigay kay Chandumal. 10 to shoot. Chandumal. Sacuesa for 3. Rebounded by Lopez. Nakawala po yun. Basket is good. Grabe. Back to Pachin. Tumila ng 10. Rebounded by Young. Young to Lopez. To De La Vigne. De La Vigne guarded by Bote. Traveling. For Baluarte. Substitution rip. Pasok ang mapasok. Labas ang lalabas. Warning for number 14 of Rocktown for flopping.
Wala LeBron James ah.
Wala na ang Rocktown. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Bochin. Binigay kay San Miguel. Guarded by Sacuesa. Back to Bochin. To Lupango. Lupango. Back to Bochin. To San Miguel. Guarded by Sacuesa. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by Tel Aviv. Tel Aviv. Nanalo na mabasan. Ayaw na backcourt. Tumapa sa paa.
Awit.
Bola na ang Rocktown. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Bochin. Binigay kay San Miguel. Drive down the lane. Stolen by Baluarte. Binigay kay Chandumal. To Lopez. 3 on 1. Basket is good for Young. Suddenly, Baluarte takes the lead. Binigay kay Upan. Basket is good. Bumalik na naman sa Rocktown. Matindi ang laban natin ngayong gabi. Time remaining 1 minute and 52 seconds to Chandumal. Chandumal, guarded by San Miguel. Mutik na magawan. Young, layup. Reverse layup is good. Back and forth we go for this matchup. Bochin. Binigay kay Upan. 68 to shoot. Binigay kay Upan. Back to Bochin. Bochin. Back down to 3. Down the lane. Guarded by Sacuesa. Binigay kay Upan. Upan to win on the press. No goal. Rebounded by Tel Aviv. Rebounded by Baluarte. Lopez ahead of the back. Guarded close by Bochin. Nakawala. Alley-oop to Young. Basket is good. 3-point lead for Baluarte. Number 11, Bochin. Guarded by Lopez. To San Miguel. Back to Bochin. To Ayan, short from the lane. Nawala sa kanyang bola. Pero bola pa rin yan. Balwarte. Substitution ulit. Time remaining. 1 minute and 5 seconds in the third quarter. Score 88-85 in favor of Balwarte. Chandumal. 56 seconds. Perez, mid-range jumper. No good. Rebounded by number 27. Pascal. Binigay kay number 98. Guarded by Balwarte. Binigay. Stop and back. Lay on the ground. Who's got it? Chandumal. 30 foul for Balwarte. 14 to shoot. Lemarco. Ang pag-iimbang for Rata. Ibinigay kay number 98. 10 to shoot. Looking for a play. Binigay kay Boching. Toro na the three. Guarded by Chandumal. Drive down the lane. Layup. No good. Rebounded by Young. 36 seconds in the third quarter. Chandumal. Relaxing the pace. Ibinigay kay Young. Young, thought about the three. Back out to Chandumal. 13 to shoot. To Lopez. Tumira ng tres. No good. Rebounded by Sacuesa. Nawala sa kanyang bola. Pero nakuha pa rin ang Balwarte. Rebounded by Lopez sa ilalim. Basket is good for Lopez. 14 seconds left. Ibinigay. Stolen by Lopez. Ibinigay kay Perez. Free basket for Balwarte. 7 seconds left. Ibinigay kay Boching. We have a foul. Lopez. 14 foul for Balwarte.
Kaya kayo ba? Kuya Bad. Wala yung Kuya Bad.
3 seconds. Binigay kay 37. Malakas. That is the third quarter. 92-85 in favor of Balwarte. 7 points. Wala na kanta binigay kay Pasa kay Umpad. Right down the lane. Ngayon sa binigay kay La Rosa. Ahead of the back. Guarded by Quinn. Basket is good for Quinn. Here comes Lupango. Ahead of the back. Layup is up. Basket is good for Lupango. 7-point lead for Balwarte. Time remaining, 9 minutes and 30 seconds in the fourth quarter. Binigay kay La Rosa, back to Lopez. Drive down the lane, kicking out to Quinn. Quinn to middle and tres. No good, rebounded by Umpad. Here comes left hand stolen by Quinn. Here comes La Rosa. Guarded. Binigay kay Lopez. 16 to shoot. Ibinigay Quest. Muntik na magawan. Quest. Guarded. Binigay kay La Rosa. 10 to shoot. Binigay kay Young. Tumira na tres. Young. No good. Rebounded by Umpad. Binigay kay Lupango. Ayaw Lupango. Body by Lopez. Tumira. No good. Rebounded by Young. Sabay down. Mag-relax muna. Ibinigay kay Quest. Sa ilan. Binigay kay Young. Jumper is good. Mid-range jumper for Young is good. And suddenly, the lead is up to 9 for Balwarte. Boching. Tumira ng tres Boching. No good. Rebounded by Quinn. To La Rosa. Easy daw muna. Ibinigay kay Quinn. Binilig kay La Rosa. 15 to shoot. Binigay kay Quinn. Step back. Tumira. Substitution rep. We have a foul number 2. Offensive foul for number 2. Balwarte. Perez. Bola ng outbound. Time remaining. 8 minutes and 8 seconds. Boching. Back to Boching. Don't pass. Underneath. Right down the lane. Layup is up. No good. Rebounded by Lopez ahead of the pack. Guarded by multiple round tags. Blocked by Boching. What a block by Boching. Here comes Umpad. Ahead of the pack. Layup is up. A free layup for round tag. Basket is good. 7-point lead for Baluarte. Lopez stop. Thought about the three. Binigay kay Kwe. Guarded, tightly guarded by Ragtag. Bola pa rin ng Baluarte. Foul on Viñas. 14 to shoot for Baluarte. Here comes Lopez. Thought about, tumira ng press. Airborne, rebounded by number 27. Paswa. Ayaw the backwards for G. It is a free layup for Baluarte. Wala na Baluarte. Dalabi na mag-inbound. Binigay kay Larosa. Trying to waste clock. Binigay kay Sacueza. Sacueza. Looking to find some room. Binigay kay Delavin. Passes it up. Bola na. Ragtag. Bench daw po. Urong daw po. Adjust po tayo mga bench. Bola ng Ragtag. Binigay kay number 98. Dilikta. Binigay kay number 92. Pass number 3. No good. Rebounded by Viñas. Already rebound for Viñas. Passes it for Viñas. And suddenly, the lead is cut down to 3 for Baluarte.
Go guys!
Time remaining 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Sacueza, kick it out to Kwe. Mid-range jumper. Basket is good for Kwe. Back to 5 for Baluarte. Here comes number 98. 98, there's down the lane. Bola sa kanyang bola. Bola ng Baluarte. Sacueza. He will be dribbling the ball. Trying to find some room. They're taking the space. Find somebody to Delavin. 14 to shoot. Back out to Delavin. Back out to Sacueza. Muntik na mawala sa kanya yung ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Sacueza. Back out to Kwe. 6 to shoot for Baluarte. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebounded by Viñas. To Guachin. Guachin. Layup. Mawala sa kanya yung ball. Kwe with the steal. Ibinigay kay Larosa. Larosa drives down the lane to Delavin. Layup is up. Basket is good for Delavin. And it's suddenly back to 7 for Baluarte. 6 minutes remaining. Layup, free layup for Ragtag. 5-point lead for Baluarte. This is an intense matchup indeed. Sacueza. Hinga muna. Napapahinga muna saglit. Binigay kay Larosa. Sa ilalim. No good. Rebounded by Ragtag. Secured by Ragtag. Here comes Guachin. To number 8 on 5. 10 seconds. Suddenly, it's a 3-point lead for Baluarte. 5 minutes and 27 seconds. Here comes Kwe. Back out to Larosa. Hinga muna daw na malalim. Pahinga muna saglit. Larosa tumira ng 3. Malakas. Rebounded by Pasqua. Pasqua. I think the back to back to Pasqua. Foul number 9. Larosa. Foul to shoot. Bola na Ragtag. 14 to shoot. 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Ibinigay kay Guachin. Tumira ng 3. No good rebound by Sacueza. That could be a crucial shot. Ngunit sablay. Kwe, guarded. Binigay kay Sacueza. Sacueza, muntik na mawala. Binigay kay Larosa. Pahinga muna. Binigay kay Sacueza. Thought about the 3. Fake the shot. Layup is up. No good. Rebounded by Ragtag. Viñas. Secures it. To Guachin. Ibinigay kay Pasqua. Pasqua. We have a ball. Muntik na yun. Pangalit. Number 9. Larosa. Third personal foul for Larosa. 2-point lead. Short. Rebounded by Larosa. Here comes Sacueza. Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Sacueza. Guarding the ball. Here comes Larosa. Back out to Young. Tumira ng 3. Bang! 3 points for Young. A crucial 3. And it's suddenly back to 5 for Baluarte. Vinyas. Binigay kay Umpan. Silano. Binigay kay...
Ay, sa mga.
Stolen by Kwe. Kwe, ahead of the pack. Drives down the lane. Layup is up. No good sa Kwesa with offensive rebound. Basket is good.
Walang foul lang.
Time out. Ragtime.
Back. Up to the ball. Number 27. Back.
Yeah, good. That's the team for Pasqua, number 27. 20 seconds to shoot. Lopez binigay kay Young. 17 to shoot. Lopez binigay kay La Rosa. La Rosa tumingin na 3. Number 19, nagdadala na bola. For remaining 9 minutes and 30 seconds, binigay kay Bachin. Bachin tumingin na 3. No good rebounded by Delavid. Here comes La Rosa. La Rosa guarded by number 98. La Rosa, muntik na wala sa kanyang bola. Ibinigay kay Young. Trying to waste clock. Ibinigay kay Lopez. To La Rosa, once again. No good, Delavid with the offensive rebound. Basket is good. For Baluarte. Ibinigay kay Pasqua. Pasqua, binigay kay Guachin. Guachin, tumira na 3. No good, rebounded by La Rosa. La Rosa, ayan ang tapat.
Oy.
Ibinigay kay Young. To Delapin, basket is good. Time out. Red time. Ball in the red time. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Ibinigay kay Sapigay. Sapigay. Layup is up. Basket is good. Lopez. Guarded by Pasqua. To La Rosa. Time remaining 2 minutes and 23 seconds. We have a foul. Lupango. Bola ng Baluarte. Warning for graduation. Lupango. Time remaining 2 minutes and 22. Warning Lupango.
Warning kayo kanina.
Substitution rep. Delapin. Guarded. Layup stolen by Guachin. We have a foul. Is that it? Warning for graduation, Lopez. Wala pala. Umpan. Ibinigay kay Bote. Stolen by La Rosa. Iron the back goes Lopez. Ibinigay kay Perez. Layup is good. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes. Stolen by La Rosa. Here comes La Rosa. Ibinigay kay Lopez. Nilabas muna. Kalma daw muna. Sabi ni Lopez. Binigay kay La Rosa. 15 to shoot. Layup, no good. Rebounded by Ragtime. Here comes Lupango. Lupango, layup is up. Basket is good for Lupango. Delapin, ibinigay kay Young.
1:30.
1 minute and 27 seconds. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Lopez, binigay. Perez. No good. Rebounded by bola ng Ragtime. Substitution rep. San Miguel out. Time remaining 1 minute and 13 seconds. Bachin, we have a foul. Number 2, Perez. Warning for penalty, Baluarte. Third personal foul for Perez. Warning for penalty for Baluarte. 2 free throws for Bachin. First free throw, basket yan. Second shot is up, basket is good na naman. 7-point lead for Baluarte. Time remaining 1 minute and 7 seconds. Huli ni Lubango! Lubango, ahead of the back. Ibinigay. Bote, basket is good. Sarili na 5-point lead. Binigay kay Calawin. Binigay kay La Rosa. La Rosa, ahead of the back. Layup is good. Ibinigay kay Bote. Bote, binigay kay Lubango. Lubango, nabitawan. Binigay kay Bote. Swing, Kagas, for 3. No good, Lubango by Lubango. Basket is good. 5-point lead.
Ay!
Bachin to the address. No good, rebounded by Lubango. Basket is good. It's a 3-point lead for Baluarte.
I'm out now! Oy, foul!
Foul, Lubango, graduate. Timeout, Baluarte.
Awit.
27-point lead for Baluarte. Habol ngayon ang layo ang rantad. Foul, Kagas. Warning for graduation, both teams. Warning for penalty, both teams. 25.9 seconds. La Rosa. Penalty. 2 free throws for La Rosa. 23.9 seconds remaining in the game.
Wala na timeout po.
No timeouts for both teams. First shot for La Rosa. Wala. La Rosa, second free throw is up. Basket. 4-point lead for. We have a foul. Penalty.
Awit!
Penalty both teams.
Layo eh!
Who's fouled it?
Kanya talaga.
JM yan.
Upel! Layo eh, tinawagan mo ng foul.
2 free throws for Bachin.
Talaga. Suhor! Ay!
First shot, basket yan. One more shot for Bachin. Second shot is up. Basket yan. It's a 2-point lead for Baluarte. Lopez, ahead of the back. Foul, Kagas. 2 free throws for Lopez.
Ilan pa si...
Third personal foul for Kagas. 2 free throws for Lopez. First shot is up. No good. Nagpalakpakan ni Rantag ah. Second shot at the strike. Lopez. No good. Rebounded by Umpad. Here comes Kagas. Stolen by La Rosa. Ibinigay kay Perez. Foul. Bote. 2 free throws for Lopez.
Kuya Bad, shoot mo!
11.6 in the ball game.
Shoot mo, Kuya Bad!
Substitution left.
Shoot mo, Kuya Bad! Go, Kuya Bad!
2 free throws for Lopez. Once again, back at the strike. To seal the game. 2 free throws for Lopez. First shot is up. No good!
Ayan.
Second shot is up. Basket run. 3-point lead for Valverde. Here comes Bachin. Binigay. Bachin naman ang tres. No good. Lalosa with the rebound. And that is it. Ang ganda na laban. Valverde prevails.